la la. Yeah, baby. Got me some of that jerk chicken with some white rice. And got some green peppers, onions, red peppers, and some, what else in there? Green onions, and some thyme. It's pretty good. Good eating. What y'all know about this? It says delicious. Yeah. Man. Y'all need to taste this here. This one right here. Ooh wee. Wow. Man. Definitely good eating. Oh my God. I get a phone call, do my video. I'm gonna call you back. Boop, 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 boop. Man, this stuff here right here is good, man. Even with my hand, I didn't know it was gonna be like this. Rice is off the chain though. Love me some Yardbird, but this rice is off the chain. It is flavorful. Put in some beef stock with a little seasoning. Put the whole dish in the oven. Ooh. Ooh la la. Man. This is a bomb. If you don't like spicy food, this is not the dish for you. Chicken super spicy. The rice just got a little bit of shit.